Okay, so now what we're going to do is we are going to add something. So we have the same sequence here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, this is where we stopped. Okay, the second one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Did you see what I did? I just added some things there. Okay, this movement, we can also do with a spin. Okay, just everybody watch. Nobody is going to do anything right now. यहाँ खड़े हैं, ठीक है? So this hand, okay, should come above you like this, and you spin on your left heel. तो अगर left hand है तो left heel है, okay? Right hand है तो क्या है? Right heel है, okay? So it should come like this, okay? And same goes, you can also do with this. Same goes with shoulder level, right? So I'm spinning on my right heel and also my left heel to come back, so dono hai saath. Okay? On the left side, on the right side. So this is what you have to now add. ठीक है? तो शुरू से मैं दिखाऊंगी. I will do it once, then you do it. Okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. एकदम हील पे है, जैसे टिपिकली हील पे टर्न होता है. So I'm just lifting my skirt. See, that's it. So just ऐसे simple turn है हील पे. See, and same on the other side. ठीक है? So don't worry about getting it perfect, because इसमें सारी चीजें हैं, but I want to see, पहले मैं देखूंगी, then I will tell you कि क्या इस पे और काम कर सकते हैं, and probably we will continue to work on this, because the spins, this is something that we'll keep doing in all the classes. Okay, everybody in place? Okay, ready? Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, same side. Okay, so if I'm doing this is the first one where I'm going out in front of me, right? 1, 2, right? Now I go 3, 4, इसी side पे 5, 6, and you look to the other side. करते ही you look to the other side. 5, 6, so that you can do this. Right? Now the next part. Ready? Start. 1, 2, okay. 3, 4 is turn on the same side, okay. 5, 6. Now 5, 6 in the other hand now, right? So we did. We have left hand, then we have right hand. So the 5, 6 is the right hand, and spin on that side now. Okay? So spin on this side on the top, and then spin on this side on this level, shoulder level. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're all going to try it. Everybody is going to try it, and we'll get it. So I'll show you. The second part is that if I'm starting on the second part, we're starting on the left side, starting on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have second part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we come back to the front. This is your homework. These basically the four movements. Okay, we did this with the footwork. Okay, with the feet. So making the sound with the feet, you are going to do this, 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 okay, and you're going to do the directions. We call these kona hastas. Kona means corner. So we are actually taking the corners of the room in our dance. Okay, it's also called meend. Meend is like this, you know, like, so we're, you know, when you do this, this is a meend. So this is a kind of, you know, we're taking our hands above our head each time. फिर से ऐसे बीच में आएंगे, फिर हर बार हम sound बनाएंगे 1 2 3 पैरों से, फिर दूसरी साइड जाएंगे और फिर से ये sound 1 2 3 बनाएंगे, फिर same on the back, okay, on both sides. So this is your homework, and we have to really work on your spins. We kind of ran a little late today with, you know, all the introductions, everything, which is so important because अब मैं देख सकती हूँ कि आप सबको डांस करना आता है and आपका थोड़ा बहुत background भी मुझे पता चल गया, you know. तो अभी हम, you know, we will start the next class probably with spins. I don't know, I'll see, but spins बहुत जरूरी है. तो मैं आपको दिखाऊंगी कि spins अलग-अलग टाइप से कैसे होती हैं, you know, even the ones around the room, you know, जो ऐसे वाली spins हैं, right? So ये भी दिखाऊंगी, but अभी आपको ये sequence जरूर करना है. तो ये है 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. तो ये आपको होमवर्क मिल गया अपना. एंड अब कोई क्वेश्चंस, कुछ सवाल, anything that you want to ask, what to expect? So Avantika.
So I wanted to know, with every, like even in the sequence, we have to always tap, like when we put a foot forward and it comes back, there has to be a tapping noise.
Yeah, not always. I will be telling you कि यहाँ जरूर टैप होना चाहिए. जैसे हमने इसमें बोला है, ये 1 2 3 हर बार टैप होगा, ओके. सो बट इसमें जो the movements, we are just stepping out. That is just a stepping out. आपका पैर बस ऐसे बस जा रहा है हर बार, right? वापस भी आ रहा है, there is no sound in this one, okay. But हम कहीं जगह वो बताएंगे कि यहाँ आवाज आनी चाहिए, वो जरूरी है.
Thank you.
और किसी के, anybody has any doubts, anything? आपको कैसा लग रहा है कि हाँ?
मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है जो एलिगेंस आप डांस में सिखा रहे हैं. इट्स सुपर्ब. आई रियली लाइक इट. आई लव्ड इट.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. That's the point. You know, I want, that's the point, is for you all to feel the elegance, you know. So, and so yeah, anything else, any other doubts, any other questions? You all feeling, I think you're all feeling you can, yeah, ठीक है. So, you know, so this is what you have for today, and we have now also next time, then we had discussed that we are going to be sending, like we've been doing something for you to do before each class. So आपको अभी, you know, maybe by, you know, within a few hours, you'll get some things that you'll have to remember, okay? So मैं आपको recording भेजूंगी. So you have to listen to that again and again, and you have to remember that. So you have to do that before next class. And we'll only elaborate on that. उसी पे हम फिर कुछ करेंगे, उसी पे हम डांस करेंगे, ठीक है? करेंगे. And next class we'll build on this, and पूरा I think हम complete कर लेंगे, जिससे आगे जाके हम we can go right into the freestyle and the choreography.
So before we end the meet, I'd just like to thank Asta ji for your precious time and, you know, wonderful class. I hope everyone liked it. सबको पसंद आया है. Now, as it is the first class, I would like everyone to speak at least one line, give us your feedback so that we can improve. Or, you know, जो भी आपको लग रहा है कि next class में we should improve, or something that can be made much more clear. और आपको क्या अच्छा लगा आज का क्लास के बारे में?
आस्था मैम, आपने जिस तरह से ग्रेसफुली जो सिखाया है, जो बिगनर्स होते हैं उनके लिए बहुत ही सही है. जिस तरह से आपने ग्रेसफुली एक एक स्टेप किया, एक एक मूवमेंट किया, वो बहुत अच्छा लगा. मतलब बिगनर्स के लिए ये बहुत सही है. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. And this is what you know, I'm trying to do, because you know, मुझे I really like to work with people who have a dance background. So, इसमें आप सारी चीजें, सारे fundamentals, सारी चीजें कर सकते हैं. So we are going to be doing this, lots of things of different, जो सब कथक से जुड़ी हैं. So thanks.
Madam, you are dancing very, very gracefully. Your grace means what to say, like I'm really very happy to see that. I'm seeing you for the first time dancing, and your movements and all are really very good. What I would like to say, that instead of making one person dance, because we have got very limited time, only 6
Yeah.
classes we have got, okay? So like, supposing if you are doing and we will be doing along with you,
Yeah.
that would be more better, I think, instead of making one person do, because
Yeah.
then we'll be wasting a lot of time, because we have got many members in this dance
Yeah.
class. So one
Yeah.
will be doing, other will not be doing, like other
Yeah.
will be left out. So instead of that, we will do along with you.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
I think that's
Sure.
my suggestion. So,
Sure.
really, very nice. I've liked
Sure.
the class very much.
Great.
Thank you.
Yeah, so ma'am, actually, I really loved the class. I really liked the fact that how we got into the little details of the whole style. And so thank you so much for being patient also. Other than that, I think it's because of the first class, the whole technical things that we had. Other than that, the class is really nice. Thank you so much.
Great.
I have a question. So, ma'am, definitely to sum it up, you're extremely graceful, and we are really, really happy that we could be a part of this, and it's going to be a great journey ahead. I always, get confused in the gharana. Meko, those terms that come, Lucknowi gharana hai, Jaipuri gharana hai. So I never know ki so what is the gharana that we are learning, or if you could like just tell me a little, because ye terms aate hain, but we never really, I mean, I can't really distinguish between the two. Yeah.
So first of all, very good question, Tanya. So I wanted to clarify this actually in the beginning, that we are doing more of Lucknow Gharana. And my guru, Srimati Malti Sham, she is a direct disciple of Pandit Birju Maharaj Ji. And so you'll sense that, and that's what everybody is sensing, in everything. So like even the turns, the way that we take the turns, even the simple things, even this, just the way that we are holding this, and we'll be doing this only. So this style, because, in this workshop, we don't have time to do the Jaipur Gharana. And probably in the future, if I do another workshop, maybe I'll do something from the Jaipur Gharana, because they have a lot of really nice pieces on the gods and goddesses, like on, Shiva, or many different things. So, we save that for another time where we can really embody that. That is a different, little bit different style. But see, fundamentally, सब एक ही है, और दोनों में वही चीज है, पैरों का काम वही है, same. There's no difference. You can be rest assured. Tatkar, the term is tatkar. Ta the tat, a the tat, which we did today, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ta the tat, a the tat. Ye same hai in all of them. These are all same. Turns are all same. The movements are all same. And everything. So probably just what's different is just a little bit of, the ang, and like just the way the posture is a little bit different. And I'm doing, so my training, the way I'm training is more in line with Lucknow Gharana, with the postures and everything. So yeah.
Thank you.
But of course, absolutely. Any other questions? Just it's a good one. We can clear up anything like this.
Madam,
Yeah.
in this 6 classes, what will be covering, like?
Yeah, we are doing the fundamentals of this style of Lucknow Gharana, but very beginning. Like this is just, just to give you a taste, to give you an idea. But then also we'll be doing like improvisation. Ki agar aapko kabhi, if you have to get up and just dance, and you have to show somebody what you learned, how you can incorporate what you learned. आप कैसे ये अपने तरीके से कर सकते हो, and we'll be then doing a choreography. We'll be ending with a choreography, जो एक अभी surprise है, मैं बताऊंगी नहीं कि कौन सी है. you know, and there's a bunch of things that we have, you know, that I don't want to give away right away because, you know, we'll get into the, you know, maybe in the 4th class, 5th class, 6th class, you know. So, but until you get all these things right, then, you know, it doesn't make sense.
Ma'am, you look very beautiful.
Thank you. Thank you. These are the things that I have obviously learned, and all the basic building blocks to dance. And जब आप finally खड़े होंगे, then आपका सब, you know, ऐसे जाएगा, like your turns will be like sharp and crisp, and your hands will be perfect, you know, like an aligned. And so these are it's a journey, step by step.
मैम मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा फर्स्ट डे में ही जो ग्रेसफुलनेस थी वो एक्चुअली कथक तो सभी करते हैं बीइंग नॉन डांसर जो आप में है वो झलक आपने हमें बहुत देने की कोशिश करी और हल्का सा झलक हमारे में आया आई एम रियली ग्रेटफुल फॉर दैट
So glad.
Thank you.
So glad. And one thing I'd like to share is that, you know, any of you can watch my YouTube channel. उसमें ज़्यादा कुछ latest मैंने upload नहीं किया है. Unfortunately, during this time, just some things, but you know, ज़्यादा आपको दिखेगा, you know, पुराने shows में जो मैंने probably last 2014, 15, 16, 2013 में भी किया है. आपको वो दिखेगा. You can see on Astha Dikshit Dance on my YouTube channel. Astha Dikshit Dance, all one word. And other, if you know, Nikhil is okay with it, I can share with you the link also. उसमें आप yeah, you can also subscribe. You can see the videos basically, and you know, subscribe for future also. वो आपको you'll see कि एक परफॉर्मर को स्टेज पे रह के क्या क्या करना पड़ता है you know, and you know, everything, you know. So then we can also, you know, discuss about that, about being if any of you are interested in pursuing dance actually in, you know, future. This is all something we can just touch as, you know, as we're discussing. We can also have these kinds of things, discussions. Yeah, sure. So yeah. I think, do we have Anu is say, acha, she's doing namaste. Great. Yeah. So I just wanted to say that, you know, we don't want to overload you with too much, you know. So abhi pehle aapko lagega ki ye, you know, but this is like, ये बहुत है, like that you're going to feel like maybe this is not that much, but once you start doing it, you'll realize कि इसमें कितना कुछ है, you know, how much to think about. So आप ये, you know, अपने like sincerity से करिए, like do it with, you know, your full sincerity, and you know, so that we really build together, you know.
Definitely. And also we'll be sharing you the video, and ma'am will also give her one more video जो वहाँ पे उन्होंने सिर्फ basics यानी cover करेंगे मैम. Homework सबको करना है. Hope you guys enjoyed. This is the final goodbye.
Great.
Bye everyone. Thank you, Nikhil. Thank you, Astha.
Bye all. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Bye all. Thank you.